When in Arizona, take a tour of the historic Orpheum Theater in downtown Phoenix. The expression, "they don't make them like this anymore," describes this 1929 theater perfectly. The Orpheum is beautiful inside and out. And we're pretty sure it's haunted, too. There are parking garages nearby and some street parking with meters. It's also in downtown Phoenix, so you can take Valley Metro buses or the light rail. The scheduled tours are free, but in October, they offer haunted tours for a charge. You can also arrange group tours for a donation. The free tour lasts about 90 minutes. You visit 3 floors, so it does involve taking stairs. But the volunteers who guide the tours are really accommodating. Tell them if you need to take the elevator. The theater website is really helpful with all of these details. The Orpheum was designed with a Spanish Baroque architectural style. It's classified as an atmospheric theater. This was a popular design in the 1920s. There are only about 40 atmospheric theaters still operating in this country. These theaters used architectural elements and projectors to give the sense of being outdoors. Because the Orpheum has been restored to its 1929 elegance, you can sit down, look up, and see the clouds drift by. The Orpheum is still an active venue, hosting plays, performances, special events, and of course those haunted tours. The volunteer guides who conduct tours are great. They share all of the history of the theater and they make it very interesting. Follow me as I take my tour through the theater and enjoy the beautiful details that make the Orpheum special. I encourage you to take this tour when in Arizona. Thank you for watching, and please click like and subscribe to this channel.